In the summer of 2017, I was called for a city design show to showcase an installation. The curator of the show wanted me to make something exclusively for the show and something which was not made or seen before. I wanted to make something out of recycled material, some sort of a kinetic sculpture which was interactive to the visitors and can serve a purpose as well. After a huge deal of thought and ideas, I decided to make a pavilion out of waste cycle rims to give homage to my childhood's companion and a lovely bicycle. To make it interactive, I decided to merge the concept with mobile phone addiction. The urge we get when we see our phones with low battery and we want to charge it. Then I combined the two activities and finalized the pavilion Chakka, where visitors can cycle as well as they charge their mobile phones while cycling. The visitors can convert their energy into their phone's battery. I made sketches, models, built a team of fabricators and tech experts to calculate the amount of material and the tech which was going to involve in the entire process. About 60 cycle rims were arranged from several scrap vendors. They were then welded together, supported by MS flat from the back. There were 6 handheld flywheels and 3 upright bicycles at the back for enthusiast cyclists. To make you understand the construction process, I have made the installation in small scale for your better understanding. Please have a look. In the modern age of drones, hoverboards, self-balancing scooters, we hardly see any kid riding his or her bicycle in the streets. A human-driven bicycle is only seen with the laborers and workers who are acting as a support for the car-driven laptop and phone-using modern beings. Painted with Duco finish in bright spring theme, the installation celebrates the hard work and dedication of all the laborers being the backbone of all the processes of our country.